Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to share my January 2019 Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit. It was based on the Felicity Jane Hannah kit from October of 2018. What I did, I went through my stash and I found a kit that I have that's similar in style. Not necessarily all the colors, but it has a similar feel. So I found this paper kit that I had ordered, paper and embellishment kit that I had ordered from Cheeky Studios a while ago. I think right before Christmas, November-ish maybe, October, November. Anyway, the paper is called Norwegian wood, and if you look at it, these are the sides that I've chosen to use on the upside. This paper is just flippin' gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And I'm not sure, I think maybe Tuesday designed this paper, but I'm not sure. Anyway, and then the back sides also has some beautiful bold color choices there. But when you look at Norwegian designs in clothing and furnishings and all of that, you can tell this is on target with that. Along with the kit came, or you could purchase in addition to, were these 5 flare. So I got those. And if you can see, I love those little mushrooms. Looks like a swan, a black swan, an acorn, a flower, and a butterfly. And then all of these die cuts. She does an amazing, amazing, amazing job with her die cuts. She did these in conjunction with a lady called Catherine Martin. Anyway, I love her stuff. I love her die cuts. I love this paper kit. I don't always get the paper kits. Excuse me. But this paper, when I saw it on her website, oh my gosh, look at that bunny. I had to have it. It says, "Autumn is in my soul." Butterflies, pumpkins, wonderful, love, more. Enjoy the beauty of nature. Oh, there's those mushrooms. I flippin' love those. I should have got a stamp set with mushrooms on it out for this kit, but I didn't. Of course, you know me. I'm going to pull in additional supplies, and so I pull in my own stamp sets. Lots of flowers. Ah! There's the swan. There's a deer. There's a pony. Stay wild. You can see there is no shortage of die cuts. Look at that flower bundle. There and there. A smaller one and a larger one. And those bits and pieces of flower pieces. And I love, love, love these die cuts. Okay, so that's what I ordered from Tuesday. So I went into my stash and I pulled out some cardstock. The original kit came with cardstock in addition to the pattern paper. So I think most of these are either basil or close to my heart. Don't ask me the names. Black, gray, dark turquoise blue, green, aqua green, and brown. That one's basil, and that one's basil, and that one's basil. And these 3 are close to my heart. Like I said, don't ask me the colors because I don't know. I don't keep up with the... I just keep them in color families in my stash. I don't necessarily keep them labeled by color. So then what do? I, about the same time, had gotten a kit from Freckled Fawn, and I had put it together with these. This didn't come with the kit, I don't think. I don't think the enamel dots, or maybe one pack of the enamel dots did. This orange alphabet, these label stickers, these enamel hearts, or puffy hearts, these washi tape strips, and there's usually 2 sets of those, and I pulled in these enamel dots, and this washi tape came with it. Perfect, right? I mean, it has all of the colors that are in this paper line. An embellishment kit. So I thought, okay, let me go to my stash and let me pull in some more stuff, because you know me, a little is good, but a lot is better. And I kind of have a formula list of when I pull together a kit. I like to have flare, enamel dots, washi tape. I like to have wood veneer. I like to have you know, all kinds of things. So first thing I did, in the inspiration kit, they have this little scalloped washi tape. And this is from a pack that I got a while ago. I think it's American Crafts. I didn't write on the inside. This is an old freckled fawn, but it's got gold lettering and then gold hearts on it, and it's black. And then this is just an aqua vertical line. So I got those to go along with the kit. And then I pulled in some wood veneer. I pulled in first these leaves because there's leaves in the background paper, leaves and acorns. So I have bought these on Tuesday morning, on a shopping spree to Tuesday morning. So there's that. And I pulled in this set of Ms. Sparkle & Company Wood Shapes and Friends. There's deer, there's foxes, there's bunnies, there's a hedgehog. There's all kinds of little shapes in there that I got at Target $1.50 spot, I believe it was. So I added those in because this has lots of woodland characters. I needed more. So there was some journal cards in the inspiration kit. So what I decided to do was pull in this old set from August of 2 years ago of journal cards. And you can see it has the pale pink, it has the orange, it has a lighter gray, and it has a darker yellow. And then it has this aqua or mint color journal spot here, and then the yellow there. And then that deeper pink, and then aqua there. Again, pink and light gray. So you can see these felt like they worked perfectly, so I pulled those in. And then I thought, okay, what if I want to make some additional journal spots if these don't suit? So I went through and I found this paper pack that I had gotten from the Victoria Marie Scrapbook Retreat this last fall. She had given us this sweater weather from Elle's Studio. And so I pulled out one sheet of each, but if you look, excuse me, a lot of the same colors and pattern feels. And I just love that these went so well together. There's grays and greens and yellows and orange and mint and black. You can see all these labels on here. I can see cutting those out. There was even a label sheet in the inspiration kit that I may utilize that piece of paper for cutting out some labels. So I pulled those, and then I pulled in these old stickers from Freckled Fawn with phrases on them, kind of that mimic the inspiration kit a little bit. And so maybe I might use some of these with some of this pattern paper. We'll see. We'll see where I go with it. Of course, a little bit's not good enough. I need more. They had a pink alphabet with the kit. I didn't have one the size that they had or the shape, so I pulled in this old Dear Lizzie set, and they're just foam letter thickers. No name that I can see on there. Yeah, no name. Just foam stickers. I mean, that's a pretty decent font, and I think I'll be able to use it quite a bit, along with this orange one. I felt like I needed more. So I added these chipboard pieces, and you can see a lot of the same colors, some cute little phrases, and I can use them to make journal spots or whatever, just for embellishment here and there. I needed more ephemera. So what did I do? I pulled in another collection from Cheeky Studios, and this one is called Autumn Beauty. And it has a ton of these darker colors in here, and some of the same-ish type feels of this other kit, but you can see there's tons of them, and so I added that in. I want to keep all of those separate. I don't know why. I just do. And then I saw this laying in there, and it has some gold foiled ephemera bits, and I think this was from like a close to my, or not close to my heart. Maybe it was close to my heart, but I think it was a pocket page day in the life kit from Becky Higgins. And so lots of just random stuff. And it's got a paler shade of purple. It's got some of the green and yellow. And so I thought, and pink, and I might be able to get some use out of this. I'm all about using what's in my stash. Really, This set is new. This set, of course, and the paper is new. This set is new. These are new items that have been in my stash for a little while, but most of it's from my stash. I pulled in this partially used set of enamel hearts, and I have just a few left, but they have the brown, they have the red, and then they have the white. I feel like I can get some use out of those. I pulled in this set of felt flowers that came in March of last year, right before they decided to close their doors, and I love that they've reopened. I don't know that I'll get these used. I've tried pulling these into multiple kits and I just haven't used them, but they have some of the same color fills, and I'm going to try. Along with that kit were these enamel hearts. They almost feel kind of neon-y, but they have a lot of the same color feel, especially when I lay it right here next to that. You can see. I'm going to try and use some. And then I pulled in this set of Cheeky Studios. It's got the month titles, it's got some bows, and then it's got some sequins in the background. The monthly titles I'm going to use in my planner, but the bows I think I'm going to use in this kit, and we'll see how that goes. I pulled in a couple of stamps. These are some that were from a found table. These are Allie Edwards. Both of these are Allie Edwards, and this is from 2011, and this one is from 2009. I'm going to try and get those used, and then I'm going to try and utilize both of these. This one is a sentiment stamp. They're both sentiment stamps, and they were both. This says "Give me some sugar, scrapbooking day to day," and this one is "Hello Foxy" from the Stamp of the Month. So I have both of those, and I've used them both before. And I hope to get some more use out of them this time. I think that's it. I might pull in some additional stuff from my stash if I feel like it. I don't limit myself to just what's here. I try to, so that I don't have to go deep digging through my stash. But I try to stick with what I have. Use up what I have in the kit. But I also don't limit myself. If I feel I need something more, then I always feel free to go into my stash and pull something else out. Anyway, that's it. That's my kit. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I inspired you to get into your stash and pull some of your stuff out, create a kit, and get to scrapbooking. That's what we bought all this beautiful stuff for, and I hope this inspires you to get some of your stuff used. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.